hands-on coding experience but not exactly sure where to start? I've got you. Here are 5 awesome coding resources that are sure to cure your coder's block. Hey, I'm Bree, I'm a software engineer and your tech bestie who is here to guide and motivate you along your journey into tech. As a software engineer, I am always telling people that one of the best ways to learn how to code is to build projects. Building projects helps convert the concepts that we learn in tutorials into practical knowledge. But what do you do when you're not exactly sure what to build? These are 5 fantastic resources full of front-end and full-stack coding projects that are sure to cure your coder's block. Before we get started, do not feel like you have to write this entire list down. As your tech bestie, I have created a list with these resources and so many more. And you can find it here. They'll also be listed in the description as well, so you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. First up is frontendmentor.io. Frontend Mentor is a resource that allows you to strengthen your front-end development skills by building real-world projects. I love that Frontend Mentor provides a project brief and design assets for each project. This way, you don't have to worry about the design and you can focus on the code. They also have tips for how you can challenge yourself further with each project. Once your project is complete, you can submit it for peer review and learn from other developers on the platform. They also have a dedicated Slack community where you can connect and learn from other developers as well. Next up, we have devchallenges.io. DevChallenges is a great resource for both front-end and full-stack developers. It includes 3 different tracks: responsive web developer, front-end web developer, and full-stack developer. And each track is filled with a variety of projects for each individual skill set. For each project, you're given multiple user stories to help guide your development. From there, it's your choice to select the tools that you'd like to use. Once you're done with your project, submit your solutions for review, or join the Dev Challenges Discord to discuss your solutions with other developers. Next up is projectlearn.io. Project Learn is a library full of web development, mobile development, game development, and machine learning projects. Once you've selected your desired development type, you can narrow down your options even further by specifying exactly what programming language you want to use. This library contains articles and videos to aid you in completing over 100 projects. Next up is Front-End Practice. Front-End Practice is a resource that challenges developers to replicate real-world company websites as best as they can. Replicating all or even just parts of a website is a great way to learn how to bring a web design to life. Use basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or your favorite frameworks to build these sites and see how close you can get to the original design. And last but not least, we have JavaScript 30. JavaScript 30 is a resource dedicated to helping developers learn JavaScript by creating 30 projects in 30 days. These projects will help you solidify your fundamental JavaScript knowledge, as well as help you practice with things like CSS, adding audio and visual elements to websites, and more. These projects don't require any frameworks, so they truly are beginner friendly. And I also want to throw in a bonus tip. After you've spent time creating these projects, don't stop. These projects are great starting points for your portfolio. How can you turn one of these projects into a portfolio project? Well, the first thing is think about how you can make them your own. What can you change about them to make them a little bit more unique and put your own spin on it? Many of the front-end projects are great shells. They may include static data, but a challenge for you might be finding a free open source API with information that replicates what your static data might be and use that API to make that website dynamic. This is absolutely a fantastic way to make your project stand out. And there you have it. After this video, I'm hoping that your coder's block has been cured. There are so many fun things that you can create. And when in doubt, just create something fun. It doesn't always have to be super serious. Turn your hobbies and passions into a fun project. Remember, I have these links and so many more that will help you on your software engineering journey on my website and also in the description below. I hope that you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my other social channels like TikTok, where I typically upload daily, and Instagram. And until next time, I can't wait to see you in the next video.